welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. If you look at the chart, then obviously there is no doubt that this market is an uptrend. Buyers are having an edge. Buyers have the advantage. Market made a high of 1995, 1996 and ultimately closed at 1980. So this is the short story. But we are traders, not gamblers. So as a result, it is very important for us to know what is going on in the market. Instead of only knowing the levels, it is very important for you to know the story of the market. So this video may sound a little bit complicated, but try to understand the video, try to understand the context of it so that you can understand what is going on. Okay, so let's get started. So yesterday we discussed about the resistance around 1985 level, and we also discussed about the buy opportunity above 1986 level. If you are a day trader, then hopefully you made some money. But if you look at the chart, then we can clearly see the breakout failed. As a result, market closed at 1980. Now the question is, why did resistance work? Because in this type of market situation, the resistance, okay, they are very weak, they do not work usually. But yesterday the resistance worked and market gave a weekly closing below the resistance, and this is very, very important. Okay. If you look at the news here, you can see gold closes at an 11-week high, rises for a 4th day as war in Israel pushes safe haven buying. So if we go by the news, if we go by the market sentiment, then yes, market sentiment is still bullish for gold. So as a result, further upside is still very much possible. But it is a war. Anything may happen. Any news may come out and it may change the direction of the war. So as a result, you need to be very, very vigilant. You need to be very, very careful. You need to stay in touch with the news mostly. So here, the resistance is still working. Okay, resistance work, which was a big surprise for us. But still, we cannot deny the fact that as of now, okay, in absence of any news that will bring peace to the market, okay, still there's a high chance that gold will be going up. Okay, listen to me carefully. In absence of any big news that will bring a trend reversal or that will bring peace, okay, we have a high chance that gold will be still going up. Further upside is still possible. As a result, considering the market sentiment, considering the trend of the market, we should be looking for buy positions only. But as I said, you need to be vigilant, you need to be careful, you need to stay in touch with the news, because any news may bring a trend reversal on the chart of gold. But as long as there is no news, okay, you can look for buy at dip. Okay, probably you have heard me saying many times, plenty of times, that buy at dip is the best trading strategy in uptrend market. So here also buy at dip is the best trading strategy right now. So where is the dip here? The dip will be around 1951 to 1955. This is the best level where you can look for buy positions. And if I draw FIBO, you can see here that we also have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around this area. Along with that, we also have previous resistance working as support here. And if I take you to the hourly chart, okay, if I take you to the hourly chart, you can also see that we also have the 100 moving average coming up. So 1950, 1955, this particular zone seems to be a very good level to grab a buy position if gold comes for retracement. But before the 1950, 55 level, you can also see on the hourly time frame, we also have the 100 moving average coming up. So I cannot give you the exact number because it's a dynamic support, but you can see that around 1970 level there is a chance that market will get some support. If you see that right after the market opening, gold is showing red candles. Okay, if gold shows red candles also, do not consider it as a trend reversal, because for a trend reversal we need peace right now. Okay, we need a news that will bring a trend change, but here we don't have any news. So as a result, if market comes down also, if you see the market is going down, consider it as a correction, consider it as a retracement, and retracements are very essential for upside. So if you see that on Monday market is coming down, observe the market around the 50 moving average around 1969, around 1970. If gold takes support and bounces, you can go for a buy there as well. But otherwise 1950, 55, that particular level seems to be the best level to go for a buy on the chart of gold. Okay, so in simple words, we have two zones on the chart of gold right now. Around 1969, 1970, if gold comes for retracement with low volatility. Okay. On the other hand, if market shows deeper correction, strong selling pressure, then you can look for buy around 1950, 1952, 53 level. Simply go to a lower time frame like 1 hour time frame, 50 minutes time frame, and also observe the market behavior. Okay, just see how the market is doing, whether market is getting support or not. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, market is showing a hammer pattern or something like that, okay, you'll get a confirmation that okay, buyers are present and you can go for a buy. So right now we don't have any news that will bring a trend change. So as a result, we can look for buy positions at dip. Buy at dip is the best trading strategy and safe trading strategy right now, because during the weekend, okay, if any news comes out, then it may change. But right now, this is the present condition of the market. Okay, but the resistance is working. Remember, I told the resistance is working, and we saw resistance is working right now. So that is a danger sign here. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Okay, so you understood till here that buy at dip is the best trading strategy. Okay, now let's talk about the resistance. So in this situation right now, okay, in this situation right now, breakout, okay, breakout can be a little bit dangerous. Okay. So whenever market doesn't come for retracement, market goes for a breakout, we go for a buy, isn't it? But this time, okay, this time it may be a little bit scary, it may be a little bit dangerous. And the reason is lying here. You can see this is the options data here, and this is the 2000 call. And we have a good number of contracts lying at 2000 level. Surprisingly, there have been additions at 2000 level. So this is the reason why market failed to cross 2000 mark yesterday, and there is no change here. In fact, there have been addition of contracts. So yes, this level 2000 will create some trouble. Okay. So as a result, right now you should avoid any buy at breakout right now, because high chance that on Monday market will fail again. To break the 2000 level, we need a big news again. We need a big news. We need something very intense that will break 2000 level and take the market up. Because if market breaks 2000 level, okay, then we do not have any immediate resistance, and market will be heading towards the next level of 2050 to 2080, the previous high made by gold. But right now we need to watch how market reacts around 2000 level. Usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. We know it very well. So in this market situation, if gold goes up also, then gold will face some serious resistance around 2000 level. Okay, and if you are a risk taker, okay, if you have the risk appetite, okay, then you can also look for a quick selling opportunity for day traders only. Okay, but because right now, okay, things are a little bit scary for sellers who are planning to take a seller resistance, because market sentiment is above all, and market sentiment is still driving gold towards the upside. But resistance is working, which should not work, but we need to be careful. If you're an experienced trader, if you want to take a buy above 1986, 87 level, then that's a different chapter. It depends on your experience. But if you're a beginner, if you're a new trader, then stick to the trend of the market. Try to buy at dip. That is the best and safe trading strategy, because capital protection should be your first priority right now. Okay, and try to avoid buy at breakout right now, because if you do not have much experience, because the level of 2000 may create some trouble. To break the level of 2000, we need an intense news that will break the level and take the market higher. Okay, but as of now, 2000 may create some trouble, and we may get to see a sideways market also in the coming days. So market opening will be very, very important. Market opening will be decisive. So let's wait and watch. This is all about the market right now. And Hopefully you got my point, you understood okay what I'm trying to say. And that's it. And have fun, have a lovely weekend, spend some quality time with your friends and family. My dear Indian brothers, okay, enjoy the Navratri, happy Navratri. I am enjoying to the fullest because we have a grand celebration going on in Kolkata, which is called as Durga Puja. Okay, I'm not a Bengali, but yes, I'm settled in Kolkata, so yes, I love Durga Puja. Okay, and anyways, do not gamble. Okay, bye bye, take care.